Now I'm going to show you a few channels in which they teach English, but the explanations are mostly in Spanish. If your native language is Spanish, these channels are ideal when you are just starting to learn English. In the next section, you will see some of the channels where all the explanations are only in English. The best thing you can do is to take a look at the videos so you can choose the ones that you find interesting. For this video, I will use the Social Blade site to give you an idea of the numbers of each channel. The first one is the Daniel Welsh channel. This, like most of the channels that we are going to see, focuses on explaining specific situations of grammar in English. It has many videos uploaded and is currently one of the most active on the subject. The second one is Alejo Lopera Inglés. This is one of the most entertaining channels because the YouTuber is someone with a lot of energy when he is giving his explanations. As you can see in this channel, there are more than 300 videos uploaded with a large number of subscribers. In this one I just want to share all the possible resources. Because of this, now I will only mention the following YouTube channels. I will also leave the document attached to this video so you can find all the links. After that, the best thing you can do is to check one by one in your home or the place where you are studying so you can decide which one to follow. The third one is Amigos Ingleses. This channel has about 200 videos uploaded and almost 500,000 subscribers. The fourth one, Inglés Apréndelo Paso a Paso. This is a small channel but with very good videos. The fifth, Aprender Inglés. It has 90 videos uploaded and more than 100,000 subscribers. Next one, Blavinit English. It has almost 300 videos and more than 150,000 subscribers. Next one, Aprende Inglés Cantando. Almost 90 videos and more than 150,000 subscribers. The next one, Tutoriales Inglés. More than 100 videos and more than 200,000 subscribers. There are many channels on YouTube that are dedicated to teach English, but this video will be too long if we see all of them. For this reason, I'm going to leave a PDF document with several links to other similar channels for you to download it. Something very important. If your native language is not Spanish, you can make a search on YouTube like this, Learn English Channel, or Channels to Learn English. Of course, this searches in your native language.